Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our camera. Now go to the More on the right here, select Super Macro, and now choose the object you want to take a macro photo of. In this case I have this figurine right here, and also make sure that the object is very well lighted, and try to be as stable as possible when taking a photo. I placed the phone on a stand, so it should be much easier. So let's just adjust the figure like this, and let's put the focus on and then click on the shutter. And that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.